Hello everyone, welcome back to the live trading with Golden Girl today. Okay, so the current signal on the chart was from previous live stream. Okay, so as you can see that I set up the buy signal at the entry zone, kind of far away from current price, and not only 60 pips that you gain after my stream last Friday. Yeah, as I remember, last Friday. Now it's gaining 1,000 pips so far. Hi Justin, I wonder if you joined my stream last Friday. Yeah, last time we get very good scalping signal. Okay, so now gold already reached a new 88 at the moment. Hi Najam. Okay, so I could like to delete the current signal on the chart to avoid misunderstanding. Yeah, this one was posted last Friday. Yeah, it's kind of good entry zone for all of us, right? Because we follow the current trend. It's uptrend, and yeah, this entry zone is kind of pretty good for you. And if anyone's follow the swing trading style, yeah, I believe that you gain a lot of profits from the current previous signal. Yeah, this is not only for scalping anymore. Yeah, it's suitable for all type of trades, and as long as you have good position, you confidently hold any trade for a long time. Okay, so let's say that the market today can bring to us any qualified signal or not. And now I will move to the first part of today's live stream, is have a quickly analysis about the current gold market. Okay, and this is the current trend line I draw in the 1 hour chart, and the smaller one is from 15-minute chart. Yeah, this is a very powerful engulfing bullish candle. Yeah, happened that's last Friday. Okay, so let's review a bit from the Forex Factory calendar. And last week, you can see that most of the news released last week was negative, right? Were negative for USD. That's just the main factor that pushed the gold price getting higher so far. And today, in the early New York, in the early Asian and to the London session, gold set up a new 88. Hi, Trading with Flow. Thank you so much for joining my stream today. Okay, so now currently gold is moving at the price 36.15, so it's kind of crazy. And below are 3 EMAs ribbon here, and as you can see, that's all 3 EMAs separate at the moment. So this is indicate for the current strong uptrend at the moment, but we will still consider any pullback, any pullback entry zone to set up another buy signal. And don't be FOMO this time, because now gold is like in the middle of the sky. Yeah, it can fall anytime. So the best thing is wait for a good entry zone that I will do analysis, based on some tools or method, strategy to set up any scalping signal, and I will let you know soon. Okay, and before I start my stream today in my VIP signal group, that I already set up a quick scalping signal at the entry zone 36.08 to 36.09. Yeah, so far that we gain around 60 pips profit. Okay, so if you want to receive more scalping signal to trade through 3 main sessions with me, welcome to my VIP signal group. Okay, and no worries about the signal you will receive for a day. And on your left side, on your right side, on the right corner of the chart, you can see the update about the buy signal that I set up in the early Asian session today. Yeah, I have to wake up so early on weekdays, but it's really no matter. And I still remember that a lot of friends joining in my stream and ask me which is the most profitable session that I recommend. And I said that it's not always. Yeah, it's not always that there will be fixed session that will bring you profit. And today, if you follow the signal frequently, and follow the signal disciplinedly, you will receive the profit. And yeah, today Asian session is really beyond our expectations. You can see that continuous winning signals that I did a summary table on the chart for you to observe conveniently. Okay, so yeah, it also depends to the current market situation, and you can see that the gold news, the USD strength news, that is not support for USD anymore. Yeah, or we usually say it is negative for USD strength, right? And now all of traders and investors is heading to the pressure to Fed that interest rate cut. Okay, and this action will help gold price increase more and more crazily, right? And I believe that it will hit around at least $3,800 for this month, or maybe 4,000. Yeah, because even though you can say that even though in a small or big time frame, gold is still heading to a higher level and non-stoppable. Yeah, non-stoppable at the moment. So just choose the correct trend to trade, okay? But remember, never be FOMO and be disciplined to your trading account, okay? Like I just said, that now gold is still very strong uptrend, but if we want to enter any signal, we need to consider position. Okay, consider choosing the good position to enter any trade. And if you are not confident with your trading analysis, okay, I will help you to do that, to set up the scalping signal for you to enter. And there's a lot of traders, a lot of scalpers that they prefer quick in and quick out. So yeah, it also depends to each person trading style. Okay, so I only recommend the advice for you to follow, and yeah, you can do that or not, it's up to you. Okay, but I will do the correct thing, the right things anyway. Okay, so you can see that in my summary table that I insert on the right side of the chart is to follow the current buy signal at the moment. Meanwhile, according to my gold trading plan, yeah, because today I do not prepare the gold trading plan video because I have live stream session with you on YouTube. So that is the reason why I do not prepare the gold trading plan video to upload on my YouTube channel. Instead, I post it on my Telegram community. Okay, so that is the reason why I advise you to join my community on Telegram to receive enough information, enough detailed insights about the market and my gold trading plan or scalping signal free. All for free in my community on Telegram. And the action is very easy for you to access in my community on Telegram by copy the link that I post in the bio and paste it to your saved message. Okay, and then you click to it and it will direct you to my community on Telegram. And I believe that this action is kind of familiar for you to react it. Yeah, and I hope to see you soon in my community on Telegram, and together we have profit every day. And my sell scalping signal at the entry zone 36.12 to 36.14 is getting more than 60 pips profit also. Okay, so that is for the scalping signal. And today in the London session, I still remember it just happened about 30 minutes ago that it can brought us 30 60 to 70 pips profit. Yeah, with just a few seconds, a few minutes. So you can easily to follow and join in my community on Telegram, and no fee at all. Okay, and you can earn money easily by using my signal, not only for the free signal that I usually set up and share with you on my stream, but also from my gold trading plan. And today, congratulations everyone if you already follow and enter for a trade for the sell scalping signal at the entry zone 36.12 to 36.14. Okay, and after that, another bonus to my VIP signal group for the buy signal at the entry zone 36.08 to 36.09. Okay, so you can see that today the market kind of blissful. Okay, and it's touch good. Yeah, it's kind of touch good for our analysis today. Yeah, so we need to be disciplined and be patient with the market, because it's not always bring good profitable like this profits like this, because that's the market and the sharks big players determination as well. Every financial market are manipulated. Yeah, not only gold, not only forex, not only stocks or crypto, everything is manipulated by big players, and we're just tiny fish in the ocean. Okay, so let's avoid to become the shark bait. Okay, and I will help you to do it by observing a chart and set up a qualified scalping signal from my experience, nearly 8-year trading. Okay, and currently I also organize the VIP private live stream in my VIP signal group to share the special lessons, from the basic to advanced level, that help you to improve your trading skills and analysis as well. And if you want to join with my VIP members, you can send me direct message and I will instruct you how to join it. Okay, with the purpose that I hope that not only the scalping signal I provide to you to get the profitable trading signal, but also I want to share with you the true value, the true and correct value when you join in this severe trading market. And let's avoid the negative one, and copy trading is one of them. And this is my sharing from the bottom of my heart. So I really hope to understand and follow it with your discipline. Okay. Today is kind of not too much friends join my stream, because I guess that all of you busy on Monday, right? Because in the beginning of the week, so you're busy with your work, and this time is not suitable for you to observe, to watch my stream, don't you? Either small or big, the market responds to all. Indeed. And that is the reason why I always remind you to be disciplined and follow strictly to 1 to 2% risk reward ratio, capital management. Okay, trading is probability. I myself cannot make sure 100% win rate for you every time I set up any scalping signal. It's a probability. And our mission is just follow enough scalping signal to make sure that you can have enough winning rate. And it's really trade easier when the market have the clearer trend like this time. So let's capitalize the market situation to gain the profit at the highest level, as many as you can. Yeah, so now in a 1 hour chart, you can see that this is also getting higher and far away, really far away from the current EMA 34. Yeah. So let me try to draw another trend line to identify the market trend. You can see that it's still heading up strongly. And the market will have another pullback. Yeah, pullback before it's follow the current trend. So our mission is find the pullback entry zone to enter the suitable scalping signal. Okay, and this was very strong bullish candle that break from the trend line. Yeah, this is just a small trend line that I draw in 15-minute chart. So now I would like to delete it. Yeah, because we do not use it anymore. We will follow the current big trend line. Okay. So let's go to smaller time frame to see which is good position, which position good for us to set up any signal. Yeah, in my point of view today, yeah, through to the at the end of London session, I still follow the current buy signal. Yeah, follow the main trend. Trend is our friend. Okay, so let's go to the next part. Based on the previous shadow, and this is the breakout retest breakout area, so that I decided to set up another entry zone at the level 3616 to 3614. Okay, so I will type the signal on the chart for you to follow easily. And if you decide to join this signal with me, pay attention to the chart and follow my instruction. Okay, so now it's about to heading back to our entry zone. Okay, consider to buy now. Okay, to get this signal active and avoid missing. And if you want to decrease the risk at least, okay, you can lower your trading volume. Buy now, everyone. Yeah, just to avoid missing. Enter this trade with small lots first to get the position, and then we will handle with this. Okay, anyone in for this signal already? Let's focus to the current chart, current signal. Okay, so today the market will be moved kind of quickly. Yeah, because gold already set up a new 88. Yeah, so it's gonna be quicker than ever. So after resting, while the market was accumulating as this zone from 0908 to 14, yeah, this was a confirmation candle. Yeah, a breakout candle in a 15-minute chart. Breakout candle, and now we'll consider to a retest. Yeah, retest entry zone to set up the current buy signal. Yeah, at the level 16 to 14. Okay, so I hope that you're already in the current signal. Follow my instruction. Yeah, let me know that you're already in by comments. Yes. Yeah, as I can see now, Nacham, you're already in, right? Okay, remember to set the stop loss level and wait for new instruction. Okay, good luck to all of us. Yeah, it's running around 10 pips. Yeah, running around 10 pips profits at the moment. So let's change into the smaller time frame, like 5 minutes, to see what is going on. Yeah, to get a position to avoid a missing trade, we can consider to enter small trading volume first. Yeah, just get the position. And if you are new, you're beginners, you can trade with micro lots first or practice with your demo account. But remember, the psychology when you trade with demo account is very, very different from you trade with your real trading account. Okay, your live trading account. Yeah, you know that heartbeat fast, right? Breathless, and sometimes dizzy. Yeah, I still remember that bad feeling when I just started to stream, to live. Sorry, to enter any trade with my live trading account. Yeah, those are kind of annoyed, but that time I was crazy because I do not know how to. Yeah, I'm not to do. I know, but I do not follow. I did not follow the risk management, and that is the reason why for many accounts I trade that blown away in my beginning of trading journey. So it's kind of sad, and this is a big experience and big lesson for me. So that is the reason why I do not advise you to be hurry and take your guard down. Let your guard down when you trade, and bring the dream that you will become billionaire or change your life after a trade is never gonna be happened. Okay, so be safe. And now gold is still heading back to a lower level, and yeah, because at the moment it's still beyond our entry. So if you want to enter a trade, you can lower your trading volume, to get the position first. Okay, and each trade, each layer should be far from 10 pips to enter. And for beginners or traders with small account, do not enter too much layers if you are not familiar to handle all the trades in your trading volume. Okay, and remember to set the stop loss level for every layer you are in. Yeah, okay, we also bought because now gold is still under a very strong uptrend. Yeah, 3 EMA's ribbon is separate at the moment. And yeah, this is indicates for the current strong uptrend at the moment. Okay, still 10 pips profit is running. Up. Okay, let me change the color. Yeah, I don't know that I prefer the color blue as the support level. It's like a feng shui color, you know. Do you believe in feng shui? Yeah, but I do. Even though that I live in Europe, but yeah, some things belong to spirit that I made to believe, because half of mine is Asian. Yeah, it's very funny. But yeah, I guess that we need to believe. Yeah, just somehow. Yeah, good luck to all of us. So yeah, this time the market will fluctuate a bit. Yeah, it's happened all the time, and our mission is just set the stop loss level enough for every layer you are in. Okay, and don't be hurry or irritated. Yeah, because this happened all the time for the below support, and now it's heading to our entry zone once again. Yeah, this action is calling to pull back or retest the below support zone. Okay. And with the current support, you can say that's supported by the current powerful uptrend. So I still believe, yeah, the percentage that we win for this trade is kind of high. But yeah, you know, trading is probability. Always remember this. So don't blame for the signal or the market. Yeah, we will recover if we are unlucky. Okay, and be calm with your trading. That's just very important for you to set up the mindset when you trade. Okay, I have to remind you again and again because I know that a lot of my friends, yeah, a lot of members that join my community, and sometimes they face with unlucky signals and they are so irritated. Yeah, and I don't know that I already been through. Yeah, I already been through this, so I really understand. And no matter what, I always find the recover signal for all of you. No, I not originally came from Europe. Yeah, you can see my accent is not 100% like European. Yeah, sometimes that it's mixed and is more than Asian. Yeah, you can see my avatar that I'm not European girl as well. But anyway, I still hope that you are fully understand and follow the signal, and together we gain profit together and the valuable lesson and experience I share with you. Okay, it's heading up to our higher levels, and let me check. Okay, 20 pips running for our entry zone. Congratulations, everyone. Okay, 19. I can see 19, 36, 19 on the chart. But it's still better for us to wait around 30 pips to close the part of the trade. And yeah, like I just said, that you can, it also depends to everyone purpose when you trade, your style. Some scalper, quick in and quick out. Okay, and for them 20 pips is okay for them to close the trade. That is their favorite. Yeah, so I just advise and give you the result, and your decisions is still yours. Okay. Oh, sorry, I'm not Indonesian or Singaporean. Yeah, sorry. You guessed wrong. Yeah, anyway, that I always want to bring the valuable lessons and experience and qualified scalping signal. Yeah, not only for my VIP members, but also for any traders that just joined my stream, my YouTube channel, or my Telegram community. Yeah, thanks to you. Thanks a lot for your kind support that my channel on YouTube that's gradually developing at the moment. Yeah, thank you very much. And if you want to have more time to live trading with me whenever I start my stream, don't forget to subscribe me. Okay, click to the bell and subscribe me on YouTube to receive the schedule notification whenever I have stream session on YouTube. And I also prepare for the short video uploaded in my YouTube channel as well to share about the knowledge relating to technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and also psychology. Yeah, trading psychology lessons. So I really hope that you will receive the good experience and lesson from my videos. Yeah, though are just short and not take too much time for you to observe it, to watch it. 30 pips? Oh, isn't it? 30 pips, isn't it? For me, it's just 25, not, yeah, just near 30 pips. But if you have a lower entry zone, congratulations. Okay, it also depends to your broker. Yeah, your trading broker, that they will offer another spread level. Okay, different spread level will affect your trading result as well. And at the moment, I'm cooperate with Bull Prime. Yeah, they are also a reliable broker that I have good experience and service because of their good service. And if you want to have the same experience with me, you can send me direct message on Telegram, and I will instruct you how to open a live trading account with Bull Prime. Yeah, they have the enough certificates like ASIC. Yeah, ASIC, and other certificates that prove they're reliable and trustworthy, that you can trust them and deposit. Okay, and I really open a lot of trading accounts with this broker. It's nearly 2 years already. Yeah, 2 years. Okay, so now gold is just, yeah, moving sideways from the level 17. Yeah, 17 to 16. Yeah, it's easily to understand because the market also need to rest, right, after a very strong bullish momentum. Okay, so we need to wait for another reaction, but yeah, you still remember to set the stop loss level. Yeah, stop loss order whenever you enter a trade. Okay. Hi, trading with Flo and Sha. Yeah, currently I'm living in France with my family, and half of me is Vietnamese. Yeah. So you're nearly correct. Yeah, nearly correct, because those country you mentioned is kind of near to Vietnam. All right. It's heading down, and let's see how it reacts with the below support zone, because you can see that 17, yeah, 3617 is the level that this candle breakout. Yeah, and there's a lot of buyers here. Okay, there's a lot of buyers here, and let's see this time the buyers come back to dominate the market or not. Yeah, but for me they will come back surely. Yeah, now I'm leaning for the buyer side. Hi Bear, welcome to my stream today. Yeah, currently we have the buy scalping signal at the entry zone 3614 to 3616. Yeah, but now it's kind of far from the current entry zone, so you can wait for it or set the limit order. Okay, set the limit order to wait. Actually, that is already 25 pips profit. Yeah. And it's also another mistake that my technical team forgot to send the link on my channel. So yeah, some of my friends joined in late. My bad. No worries, I still have a lot of chance for you to compensate for this time. Okay, yeah, please wait and don't be FOMO this time. Now gold is accumulating from 17 to 18 level for a while, and already 12 minutes, yeah, 20 minutes passed, and now it's just moving sideways from that range. How are you today, my dear friends, my friends? I hope that all of us gain a good profit today, because if you follow my VIP signal group, by scalping signals that I set up in the signal group today, especially in the Asian session, really brought a very good profit to all of members today. Yeah, just follow the main trend is buy, and my gold trading plan based on the correct level that I identify, that 3612 to 3614, that help us bringing about 70 pips profit so far. Yeah, it's time for gold is accumulating. And my friends, you can observe your price in your trading platform, and if you have 16 level, yeah, you can manage yourself to enter small lot, yeah, to get position for this signal. Okay, 16 level is okay for you to enter this trade. Thank you, Heartbeat. Thank you for your compliments and hospitality. I guess that you're using Google Translate to set up these sentences. How lovely. Okay, so now let's focus back on the current trade that I supply for you on the chart. Yeah. is still taking some time to challenging our patience. Yeah. Previous ones were nearly a pin bar. Yeah, and the body of the candle is getting smaller. Yeah, you can see that I just marked for you the bright zone 17, 3617. This is the area, yeah, the level that this engulfing candle breakout based on the previous candle shadow here. Yeah, that's a lovely heartbeat. You don't have to sorry anything. Okay, bad. Do you have any 16 layer, 16 level layer? Have you had that? It's now heading back. Okay, I hope that about 20 minutes later, we will have a positive action of the market. Okay, thank you Heartbeat for joining my stream today. See you again soon. Oh, 35.17. So did you remember to lower your trading volume yet? Because that is not a good position. Yeah, I just said, and now it's heading back to 16 level. Yeah, 16 level now. Okay, so you can enter another layer. Yeah, small lot is better for not good position. And last time, do you still remember that there's some signal that we'll miss? Yeah, we'll miss, and that is the reason why I advise you to enter small lot for the another position, for higher position, to enter the trade to avoid missing. But always remember to lower the trading volume. Okay, if you are in not good position, and you still have more chance to enter another better entry zone. Okay, and when price heading up, we will close the bad position. Okay, so this time, it's heading back to entry zone, so you can consider to enter another layer to in. Okay, first round around 25 pips profit, and now it's heading back to entry zone, and we still have times. Yeah, we still have times for you to re-enter. We will follow the current buy signal here on the chart. You can see it. Okay, yeah, did you get it on time? Okay, so now it's heading up again. So every time we trade real time together, let's focus on the chart, because now gold can price quickly. Gold price can move quickly. Okay, round 2. Yeah, round 2 set up already. Okay, 20 pips for round 2, so fast. Okay, go. So you can see the advantage for scalping trading style, quick in and quick out. Yeah, just 20 pips you're in, and then you out, and then you re-enter, and then enough profit, 20 pips you are out. So totally you get around 40 pips. So you can see and compare with the actual trading. Yeah, you can capitalize the profit by having these signals. Yeah, and manage your entry zones level quickly. Okay, so that is the reason why I do not advise you to enter too much layer, because sometimes it will make you confused and miss action. Yeah, to avoid any pity. Okay, and misleading. It's heading back to the entry zone once again. Okay, so let's see. Around 3 minutes, that 5 minutes candle will close, and let's see this time it will getting lower position or not. Yeah, you can see that it's already filled the previous fair value gap that's created from the powerful engulfing candle. Yeah, it's nearly filled the below gap. So this action is kind of easy for me to understand of the market. Every candle, very strong bullish candle, engulfing candle will create fair value gap there, and the market always tend to fill them. Yeah, but we don't know when. Okay, so that is why we need to be disciplined to 1 to 2% rule for any layer we are in. Hi Mike, long time no see you. Yeah, where have you been? How are you? Okay, I'm very happy to receive your thank you. Yeah. Yeah, we're just heading to another uptrend. So after a very strong bullish candle, before I start my stream, after I just start my stream, so that is for the entry zone I set up, and now the market is accumulating for a while. So it's easy to understand, right? It's easy for us to understand, because now it's the overlap time between the London and New York session. So now we just based on the market small fluctuation, around 25 to 20 pips to get the profit from any scalping signal. I still remember last time we missed an entry zone. Yeah, 2 pips, 2 to 4 pips left. That we missed the signal, and it's flying. I remember that it's 35.19, 19 or 39. I'm not sure, but after that it's heading to very high level. As I remember that the signal was 35.19 to 20. Yeah, as I remember. Oh, 36, 31. May I know how can you set up that level for your take profit? Can you share with me your trading analysis so that we can learn each other? Yeah, I very appreciate that. Hi Alex, can you share it with me? Okay, so it's heading back to another lower level. 15, we have 15 zone again. Hi Meras. Yeah, we still have chance, and you can enter for the current trade that I post on the chart. Come on, it's running out time. Yeah, it's at the 16 level. you can enter 16 or 15 level for the current price signal. Yeah, you can enter this time. Yeah, because now it's just accumulating at our entry zone. And if you want to be safe, okay, lower your trading volume. Okay? Let's bet with the market once again. Okay, Alex, I will wait. But yeah, I only have around a few minutes with you. Okay, so I'm really looking forward to receiving your sharing in today's stream. Yeah, it's heading down to 15 level. Okay. So anyone in 15 levels again? Anyone? Trend is bullish with hold. Okay, so that's level you'll consider with the trend. Okay, so let me check the trend you're talking about. 31. Maybe the trend we draw is different. Okay, 31 is around here. I see. So this is your take profit level, right? It's around here. Yeah, that's a pretty good analysis. Yeah, I'm very happy that you received your sharing today. Okay. It's a bit heading down to another lower level. And remember, if we get enough entry zone, do not put it too much anymore, okay? No matter what is moving, just set a stop loss order and just let the market run. Okay, it's heading down to 14. You can enter one layer enough. And that we close. We close to enter any layers then. And when price heading up, again, we can close the bad position and hold for the good positions like 14 levels only. Yeah. Hello, Sanjay. Yeah, you have another entry zone. That's pretty good. Yeah, I always appreciate for your idea, your condition. Okay, your idea. So that's his trading. Okay, that's his trading analysis. So everyone will have will have your own idea, and we have to respect it. Okay, we have to respect it. Okay, so it's heading up to a higher level, and you can consider close the bad positions. Okay, to avoid it heading down again, and it will make you pressure, because we will have to learn how to beat our negative psychology when we trade. Yeah, be calm Okay, it's heading back to 16. Yeah, close the bad positions and hold 14 entries only. Yeah, I would like to update the running profit. 30 pips. Yeah, touch wood that we are going good now. Yeah, I'm kind of spiritual, you know, so I prefer saying touch wood for any good thing. Yeah, 30 pips. So below here, there's still have a good supported by the buyers from the EMA 34 below here, and our support level. Okay, and our entry are zones. It's not a specific point, so always remember about capital management. Yeah, 1 to 2% are the best. Yeah, touch good. Good. Yeah, good. WOOD. Yeah, touch wood, not good. Okay. WOOD. Good, not good. Yeah, sometimes that you cannot distinguish because yeah, the pronunciations is kind of similar, right? Yeah, it is good. Yeah, so hard to say that. Okay, so now it's heading back to 17. And yeah, it's time for me to end my stream here, and I need to focus back on my VIP signal group. Okay, so today, yeah, it's kind of good profit signals for all of us, right? Okay, so once again, thank you so much for joining my stream today, and we together gain a lot of profit together. Yeah, a bit profit together. Okay, and see you then. And also remember to subscribe me on YouTube and join my community on Telegram not to miss any information, detailed insights about the market that I posted to you. Okay, thank you and see you again. Have a lovely day.